This is week 3 of our rumba. We're at ABL. This is Karen Terranova. My name is Jim Cole. We started with outside partner breaks. We started with some simple ways to do it with the left foot free, ladies right foot free. What we're going to do is we're going to rotate, go into outside partner, and then we're going to rotate and go into outside partner. That was one way in which we can do it. Another way is to incorporate another step, which would be our crossover. We go to a two-hand hold. The lady gives enough pressure so that when I initiate, she's able to take that step back, and step back, and step back. And I'm just going to end it with another crossover, which could give me so many other options. The next thing we learned was the there and back. So there and back was just basically taking the hand down, pressing away, which was quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, together, together. We could do a variation by adding the crossovers to it. So we have slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, together, together. All right, what do we have left?
Did you do the crossbody lead to?
Oh, the crossbody lead. Forgot that one. Thank you. We also had, for the outside partner breaks, the crossbody lead, my favorite, the one that I learned from. We started with half a box into a crossbody lead. We overturn her, put her in outside partner position. 1, we do it again. 2, and 1 more. 3, and then we finish by just stepping straight back, finishing, and closing. And then finally we had our open breaks, where we're going to lower the hand, press back and away, and when we do this, the energy of coming back in to the side, and we can do an underarm turn here, so we'll do that. So we have quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. But just the open break by itself, quick, quick, slow. All right? Excellent. Thank you very much.